playground. Look.
Ganito ang bahay ni Jay.
Stand up, oy.
Here I am.
Stand up. Sige, go check some toys. Oh, toys. Shark. Hey. Go there. Go that side. It's a frame.
Cannot open this. No. This one?
Yes.
Ta'al, give me this. Which one you want? This one or this one? Both.
Clever. Only one. Choose the one with rails, Zid. Dan, you decided already? Sold? Huh?
Yalla, put them here. Put them here.
Only. Oh, he got toy. Huh? Oh, now we're going to buy plate. Okay? Go pay. Give it to the amo. Oh my God. Zido will pay. Sige. Baba is there.
Small but a little bit big. Para kung kanukuan.
Oy. Have your toy? Huh? Yeah. Smile, Zaid. Huh? What's here? Huh? Wow. Hold up. With a tissue. With a tissue. With a tissue lagi. Okay. Hold properly. Hold properly. Sige, eat. That's it?
Yummy ice cream.
Oh, yummy ice cream. Oh, again. Yummy. You want another ice cream? Okay.
You want to buy him?
Okay. Eat Zido. Again. I did not press it. Which one you want? Which one you want? The Baba ice cream or Zido's ice cream? Which one? You want the 1 dirham ice cream? Show to them how you eat the ice cream. It's like that. And then Mama is the one who eats the cone. Where are you going? Where's the playground? There? Oh, Zayto will order. Sige, order. Oh, order first. Huh? Order. Sige. How to order? Sige, press. Ting. Sige. Ting. Finish? Oh, finish now. Let's wait, okay? Oh, which one you want? The KFC or the Pizza Hut? Which one? Wow. Which one you want? Is it hot? No. Why cola? You have to eat first. Okay? You have to eat first. You ordered 2. See? Are you clapping your hands? Why? Eat first. Eat first.